Hi folks, welcome to Spain, welcome to the channel and welcome to the warm weather. I wasn't planning on doing a video today, but woke up this morning out on the balcony around 8 AM, felt the heat. You know the heat, the Spanish heat, couldn't believe it, that early in the morning. So then I had my coffee, fed the dogs and took Molly for a walk at around 9. Hot air. So apparently today is going to be the hottest day of the year so far in Spain. So when I brought her back out for a wee walk, we talked to you. It's going to be a very short video. I don't even know, I don't really know what I'm going to video about, but I just decided to put a short video together, say hello to everybody and introduce the really hot weather again. I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of the day or the rest of this video, but I'm probably going to go down to the beach and have a swim in the sea. There's a buzz about today, more traffic, more people. Everything feels alive. One thing that I do know I'm going to do it shortly. I'm going to go to Lidl to buy my apple turnovers. Don't worry, I'm not going to take you with me. The weather forecast on my phone says it's going to go up to a high of 33 today. Did you see this? Terrible. People just dump. I must do it at night. I must just drive up in their cars and dump. Right, sorry, where was I? Yeah, it says it could be up to a high of 33. So I'll have a wee look later on, show you if it does get to 33. But now this is perfect. It's very comfortable. Right, so I'm down to get my car to go and get my apple triangles. Right, and can't believe it, but pool's open. Couldn't get my apple turnover today. They sell out very quickly. Doesn't that look nice, but Guardamar. It's a white t-shirt, you know, you're probably doubling it. I'm trying to video. Oh, you had to get in the act too. Which is like, oh, it doesn't like that. That's the Michael Jackson. Truth is, I was sitting there with my shirt off and my feet up. I didn't want to subject you to that. So I was just sitting here, had my bun, which was delicious, put my feet up, then decided to do a wee bit of filming. I thought I'll put my shirt back on. But yeah, I was just sitting here thinking, how lucky am I? So wonderful. It's a Wednesday, late morning, and I'm sitting baking in the sun when I could be at work. And by the way, apparently at home, gale force winds and freezing cold. Terrible. So I'm chuffed the pool's open and I'm going to go, I'm sure it's freezing, I'm sure it'll be freezing cold, but I'm going to go down and have a wee swim. Now, those of you who've been with me for a good while watching the channel will know that it had been my intention to swim every day right through the winter. Then they announced the pool was closing way early on, October. And they said they would let me go in every day, and I did that for a few days, and I just felt guilty keeping asking the guy, and he had to come, and he's not always in the office, and he was having to come and open the gate, and I just stopped doing it. So it's fantastic that it's open again. I hope it's open not just because of this nice day, but because the deck chairs are back out, I assume that's it for good. So I'll go down there at the end of the day, have a wee swim. But yeah, lucky me, feels fantastic. Wonderful!
12 seconds later.
Yes, and I forgot to say, when I went into the pool, there was a woman sitting there, which is very rare to have anyone, or sunbathing with her top off. So, you know, you walk in, you divert your eyes, walked over to the pool, decided not to talk into the camera, and when I turned back, she was all tall and all around her arm. So I'll wait till she goes before I go for my swim.
Several song-filled hours later.
Oh. Heart attack, heart attack. Oh.